What is the best diet for weight loss 2021? Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to One Healthy Life. If there was ever a year to kick bad habits, 2021 is it. For many, it'll be a year of rebuilding routines and making better choices in the future. These top-rated diets and programs hold promise for anyone looking to improve their health this year. If 2021 had a specific theme, it would be sustainability. So let's take a look at these diets and you can choose whichever suits you. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss an update. The Mediterranean diet is the best overall diet. This lifestyle-based diet, which was inspired by healthy communities in countries such as Greece, Spain, France, and Italy, is consistently ranked as the best diet for a variety of reasons. This diet has the fewest rules. Instead of counting calories, consider how many vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes or pulses you can fit into your day. Lean proteins, heart-healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, and wine are also on the menu, but most Mediterranean diet meal plans take you back to solid nutritional basics. The diet-turned lifestyle has been linked to serious longevity, among other benefits such as memory and cognitive abilities preservation. When combined with caloric restriction, the diet may also aid in healthy weight loss. The Mediterranean diet is primarily a plant-based diet that includes whole grains, olive oil, fruits, vegetables, beans, and other legumes, nuts, herbs, and spices. Other foods, such as animal proteins, are consumed in smaller quantities, with fish and seafood being the preferred animal protein. Although the pyramid shape suggests a food proportion, it does not specify portion sizes or specific amounts. It is up to the individual to determine how much food to consume at each meal, as this will vary depending on physical activity and body size. A focus on healthy fats. Olive oil is recommended as the primary added fat, with other oils and fats being substituted, butter or margarine. Other foods naturally high in healthy fats are highlighted, including avocados, nuts, and oily fish like salmon and sardines. Walnuts and fish are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids. The Mediterranean diet has consistently been shown in studies to be effective in lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease and overall mortality. Over 12 years, women who followed this type of diet had a 25% lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease, according to a study of nearly 26,000 women. The study looked at a variety of underlying mechanisms that could account for this reduction and discovered that changes in inflammation, blood sugar, and body mass index were the most important factors. The DASH diet is the best diet for heart health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly half of all adults in the United States have high blood pressure, but only 1 in every 4 works to lower it. It's why, in the early 1990s, scientists developed the DASH program, which targeted sources of high sodium and unhealthy saturated fats in the majority of people's diets. A DASH diet, or dietary approaches to stop hypertension, works to naturally lower blood pressure over time by asking dieters to cut back on red meat consumption as well. Alcohol consumption is limited to the greatest extent possible, and dieters are also required to engage in at least 2 hours and 30 minutes of exercise per week. If you stick to this low-fat, low-sodium diet, your heart health will undoubtedly improve. However, because DASH promotes a variety of nutritional foods found in other diets on this list, you can expect to lose weight, especially if you replace high-calorie, processed foods with DASH-approved meals daily. It's beneficial for anyone with a family history of heart disease, or if you've developed a habit of eating more fast food or prepackaged convenience items in the last year, then a DASH diet can help you course correct. The volumetrics diet is the best diet for weight loss. Why does this diet aid in weight loss better than others on this list? At the end of the day, it's all about eating plenty of vegetables and fruit, but it's also about the fiber that these foods provide. Unlike other diets that prioritize certain food groups while eliminating others, volumetrics does not technically prohibit you from eating your favorite foods. It simply requires careful moderation to be successful. As you might expect, the diet is based on the number of your meals, allowing you to eat more vegetables, fruit, and plant-based foods high in fiber and water. This diet's meals were developed by researchers at Pennsylvania State University to help you feel fuller for longer while maximizing each calorie consumed. You're encouraged to double up on servings of leafy greens and sweet fruit as long as you're replacing other caloric foods instead. In place of salty tortilla chips, try a half cup of salsa with as many crudites as you like. It's intended to make you feel less deprived because you're eating volume-rich foods that will keep you full. Flexitarian diet is the most sustainable diet. Flexitarian diets are not vegan diets, but for those who have yet to jump on the plant-based bandwagon, a flexitarian diet can be much more attainable than eliminating all animal-sourced foods all at once. This diet provides the most flexibility of any on this list, as you create guidelines and rules to help you cut back on meat and dairy at your own pace. Replacing meat and dairy in your diet should focus on vegetables and whole grains, as vegan alternatives can be just as unhealthy as some convenience foods at your local supermarket. Finally, there are advantages to reducing your meat and dairy consumption that go beyond your health and waistline. When compared to veganism, flexitarian diets are more sustainable for the average dieter as well as the planet. In addition to increasing your intake of vegetarian meals and observing Meatless Mondays, you can incorporate a few of these smart vegan-approved alternatives into your weekly routine. The flexitarian diet is a semi-vegetarian diet that emphasizes healthy plant proteins and whole, minimally processed plant-based foods while encouraging the consumption of meat and animal products in moderation. Eating flexitarian may help you lose weight and lower your risk of heart disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. It could even be beneficial to the environment. However, careful planning of your flexitarian food choices is necessary to avoid nutritional deficiencies and reap the greatest health benefits. The Nordic diet is the most promising. The Nordic diet includes foods that are commonly consumed by people in Nordic countries. Several studies indicate that this way of eating may result in weight loss and improved health markers in the short term. In the Nordic diet, you'll eat recipes that are high in seasonal vegetables and fresh fruits, a variety of whole grains, and more lean proteins found in the region's seas and lakes. You'll avoid processed, sugary foods and eat slightly less lean poultry and beef than you would on a Mediterranean diet meal plan. The main distinction between the programs is the source of healthy fats. The Nordic diet substitutes olive oil for canola oil because it is lower in saturated fat, higher in monounsaturated fat, the good stuff, and contains heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The emphasis on powerful supercharged carbohydrates is another key difference in a Nordic diet. You'll enjoy crackers and crisp breads made entirely of whole grain barley, oats, and rye. Along with fiber found in whole grains, researchers at Harvard University discovered fiber from increased consumption of berries in a typical Nordic diet meal plan. Berries are high in anthocyanins, which may lower blood pressure by directly influencing the health of your blood vessels. Ornish diet. The Ornish diet is a low-fat, plant-based eating plan that emphasizes nutritious foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. While weight loss is not the primary goal of the Ornish diet, it has been shown in several studies to be effective for long-term weight loss. The Ornish diet is a low-fat, lacto-ovo-vegetarian diet that purports to provide significant health benefits. Aside from being adaptable and simple to follow, some research suggests that the Ornish diet may aid in weight loss and protect against chronic disease. However, it is low in healthy fats and may be deficient in certain vitamins and minerals, increasing your risk of nutritional deficiencies. As a result, if you want to try the Ornish diet, make sure you plan it carefully to avoid negative health effects. Bistro MD. Bistro MD is a weight loss program that provides fully prepared and flavorful meals delivered to your door. Dr. Caroline Cedarquist, a board-certified bariatric specialist, created it to make it easier and more convenient for people to enjoy healthy and delicious meals at home. Bistro MD provides a variety of programs tailored to specific dietary needs, as well as multiple subscription options, access to a members-only online community, and support from its team of registered dietitians. Bistro MD is a weight loss program that makes eating healthy simple and convenient. It may be a good choice for those looking for a structured program that can be customized to fit specific food preferences with 150 meals to choose from. It is, however, more expensive than many other programs and may not be suitable for everyone, including those with specific dietary restrictions or those looking to learn how to prepare healthy meals at home. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do hit the like button if you found something useful in the video. Stay healthy and safe. Until next time.